Social media for social change. I'm not Jesse Smollett. I'm not Emmett Till. I'm not Freddie Gray. I'm not Tyrone West. I'm not George Floyd. Alright? I'm not Dred Scott. I'm a free black man living in white America. I'm a political prisoner living in exile in my own country because I exposed the corruption in Baltimore City and Baltimore County courts. The Democratic Party. This is Governor Westmore. Governor Westmore, Governor Ehrlich, Governor O'Malley, Governor Hogan, been playing this game with me for the last, since 2007. See who that is? That's Jared Jimenez from CNN. He used to be here at WBAL. We talking about CNN International. It's Black History Month, so we're gonna make it a Black History moment. See this? That's Governor O'Malley in 2006. Alright? Get shorty. Get shorty. These are criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. Alright? These are criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger right here. Governor Hogan got him, Governor O'Malley got him, Governor Ehrlich got him, and now Governor Westmore got him. We talking about being black in America in 2024. Dred Scott. Social media for social change. I don't need 1 million people to march. I need 1 million people to pay attention. You paying attention to this? That's Ivan Bates. Alright? That's Xavier Conway, the clerk of the court. Alright? That's Xavier Conway, the clerk of the court. Respectfully submitted. This is my lawyer, Mr. Bailey. Alright? 1402 Lochner. I was kidnapped from my home because I was making a documentary about Baltimore. Federal grand jury hearing. Alright? Federal grand jury. People versus the state. That's notarized. That's notarized. You see that? That's notarized. Senator Cardin's been knowing about this since I started this. Senator Ben Cardin's. Alright? That's Senator Ben Cardin's. This is President Obama. He asked for an investigation. Nobody never did it. See the date? 2009. I'm a jailhouse lawyer. I gave you a legal notice. City, county, state, and federal levels. I gave you a legal notice during Black History Month. Alright? 07 CF 4988. I never got a trial. Just like Dred Scott. I'm a free man in one state and I'm a slave in another. That's me. I own me. I own all parts of me. You feel me? I own all parts of me. I filed my paperwork with the court in the state on February the 2nd, 2011. Right here. See the date? February the 2nd, 2011. Illinois and Maryland. See that? Federal, city, state, and federal violations. The city solicitor had that. Right here. 1402 Lochner. This is the material Scott Shellenberger destroyed in 2011. Alright? Like I said, I was in another state. I was locked up. Here it is, the interstate compact. We talking about the prison industry, mass incarceration. So I put it all in a book, a documentary, and I was the lab rat, showing blacks have no rights in which white America respects. You took my property, you took my truck, my computer, and everything I own. You made me homeless. See that? That's a body attachment, and nobody got charged. See that? Date issued. Alright? You are liable to a body attachment. You feel me? And Scott Shellenberger never locked nobody up. Like I said, I'm not Emmett Till. I'm not Jesse Smollett. This is Judge Badar. See that? Judge Badar. All right, he got this. See who got this? Governor Westmore, the General Assembly, and Attorney General Anthony Brown, State Attorney Ivan Bates, Baltimore. All right, you see who got that? Y'all got that. So I was making a documentary about you. Feel me? I was making a documentary about you. Right here. That's Charles Gibson, World News Tonight. That's CNN. Brent Jones, CBS, Fox 45, World News Tonight. I seen Omar Jimenez, remember? CNN? CNN, you got this. We're going to show the role that the media plays in misinformation. Because like I said, I never got a trial. I never got court. Being black in America, do blacks have rights in which white America respects? It's right here. I never got a hearing. I never got a hearing. That's Commissioner Commissioner Harrison. All right? And these are the charges. Commissioner Harrison got this. Feel me? Now, if Marilyn Mosby can go to court, so can Scott Shellenberger. You got to criminally charge Scott Shellenberger. You got to criminally charge him. There's no statute of limitations on fraud and fiduciary fraud when the court commits the fraud. When the court committed the fraud. I'm out $250 million. I got 250 million reasons to stay in your ass. We're going to call the governor now. All right?
This is Governor Westmore. Thank you for reaching out to my office. Please leave your name and reason for your call. One of my staff members will reach out to you as quickly as possible.
Yes, Governor Westmore, my name is Dwayne G. Davis Sr. I'm a whistleblower on the courts and the corruption in the courts. You have paper and evidence of Scott Shellenberger's criminal activities. Scott Shellenberger's testifying in Annapolis. Anything that he testifies for should be stricken from the records because he needs to be criminally charged. I was kidnapped by Scott Shellenberger on this day, February the 11th, February the 7th, 2011. This is my anniversary. It's a remix. So Governor Westmore, you have my information. ddshortman@gmail.com, 443-831-1188. And you have my mailing address. I need a response from you before the session is over. I need exoneration of the Supreme Court because terrorism isn't an exonerable offense. I need to be exonerated. Terrorism isn't an expungible offense. I need to be exonerated by the state, freely, duly, in the expense and the convenience of the government. That's what the Constitution says. And you took an oath to defend the Constitution. You can call me at 443-831-1188. I'll be waiting for your call. That's the governor's office. Governor Hogan got the same message. Governor Early got the same message. Governor O'Malley got the same message. Y'all been holding me illegally, denying me my rights illegally since 2007. I am Emmett Till. I never got a trial. Emmett Till died. They killed him. They murdered him. I'm doing the same thing that Emmett Till would have done. I'm standing up for justice. And it ain't going to be just us 2024. Social media for social change. Everything I've been doing is in the Department of Justice hands. That's Pollard Towing. That's the case. All property for Dwayne G. Davis, the 1999 Chevy Suburban. And the state's attorney had this. You feel me? The state's attorney had this. See that? All property. Dwayne G. Davis. Chief Johnson, Baltimore County. Chief Johnson, Senator Ben Cardin, Barbara Mikulski. We talking about the Democratic Party. If Blagojevich can go to jail, so can you. If Marilyn Mosby can go to jail, so can Scott Shellenberger. Criminal charges. See that? Criminal Investigation, Internal Revenue Service, all property. See the dates? States Attorney had that. We talking about $250 million. Your budget, your police department, your policing. Everything I got on social media. Social media for social change. Today I shot a video at the Towson Courthouse. I'm on TikTok. See the views? I'm on TikTok. See the views? That's Izzy Pataki. Everything I do on social media. I don't need 1 million people to march. I need 1 million people to pay attention. And they paying attention. So Governor Westmore, I hope you are too. Social media for social change. 2024 session, exoneration of the Supreme Court. And I want Scott Shellenberger's job. If y'all don't do this, we're gonna file a class action lawsuit against the state of Maryland. And everything that Scott Shellenberger had since 2006, gonna get it reversed and remanded. Just like the gun task force. People were illegally incarcerated. Money was made off of those bodies while they were incarcerated. They were denied the right to vote. They were denied the right to property. They were denied their constitutional rights as black people in America. It's Black History Month.
Governor Westmore, your crime bill for 2024 ain't gonna pass. Ivan Bate want to take away good time from inmates to put in that work. If you don't give inmates good time, then they have no reason to be good.
You see that? The money behind the machine.
In front of the Towson Courthouse about your prison industry, the money you make off black bodies.
Right at Towson today. And this is Fox 45.
And they was going live this morning talking about the corruption in Baltimore City, but they don't want to talk about the corruption at Fox 45, Sinclair Broadcasting, and the racism at Sinclair Broadcasting, or Scott Shellenberger.
So 2024, let's talk about race and racism, the great race debate. We're going to have it if you like it or not. I don't get no justice. You don't get no peace. This going to go to the silver screen, because like I said, I'm promoting this. I'm selling this. Y'all did Baltimore Rewired, Baltimore The Wire. Well, this is Baltimore Rewired. Y'all let Justin Fenton make the movie We Run the City. You let Baynard Woods make the movie We Got a Monster. Well, dog, we got a beast, and I'm beating him in the streets. Anywhere I see you at is where I'm going to treat you at. I go to jail for the right reasons. They call that the good kind of trouble. Ask Martin. Ask Malcolm. Ask Medgar. Ask Fred Hampton. Ask Thurgood Marshall, because we're going to court. We're going to end this where we started this at. Mic check.